It's a 10:15 on the liftoff, and I think it was Notorious B.I.G. Owati, more money, more problems. But I beg to differ, Notorious B.I.G., because for me, it's more Mondays, more love problems. Right, this is the part where we help a liftoff family member with a serious problem that pertains to love. They don't know how to solve it, and this is why they send an email to the liftoff@gagasi995.co.za so that we as a family can try and assist them, get advice sobaniga through phone calls and through voice notes as well. So if you have anything to contribute to today's conversation or today's issue, inamba zongithinta kuyona 0861596596. Let me get straight into today's email. Sawubona Mazwane. Ngaze ngaxakeka ingakho ngibeka ithemba lami eGagasi ukuthi njengomndeni nizongibonisa kule nkinga engibhekene nayo. Igama ngingusibusiso ona 37 and I'm dating isithando senhliziyo yami engeke ngisidalule to protect her identity and dignity. Kodwa singambiza ngoCupid. Sahlangana 4 years ago sinesithando sami and we were ready to take our relationship to the next level, which is umshado. Ngosuke ngathi umangalo abakhongi ukuyocela, which is my father. Well, my father was heading i-delegation yami. Babuya bedangele nemali yonke igcwele isikhwama. Ubaba wathi kimi bavele bajikiswa nje sebengenisiwe ngisho endlini kodwa akazi ukuthi bajikisuleni. Ngakusasa ngahlangana noCupid ukuzwa ukuthi kwenzekeleni. Wangixoxela indaba eyangibandisa amathumbu. So, what happened was when abakhongi entered the house, umama kaCupid wavele wamemeza wakhala. Mebuzwa ukuthi kwenze njani watshela ubaba kaCupid naye uCupid ngasese ukuthi ubaba wami yile ndoda yamkhipha isisisu when she was pregnant ngengane yabo before I was born. This was before she and ubaba kaCupid met and before ubaba no mama wami met. So basically, my mkhwekazi to be is my father's ex. Whoa. Lendaba mengiya nayo ekhaya izoxova umuzi because my father lied ngokuthi baxoshelweni khabo Cupid. Secondly, umkhwekazi akafuni lutho oluzomhlanganisa nomndeni wami because of the painful history. Okugcina, where does this leave uCupid and I? We still want to get married, kodwa nansi inkinga esibhekene nayo. Please assist family. This one is from Usibusiso. Yeah. This is where you come in. 0861596596 ungangithumela ne WhatsApp voice note so that we can try and assist Usibusiso in this huge inkinga of a problem that he finds himself in. WhatsApp voice note number yami uzongithola kuyona 078-934-2827. And remember, we need to approach every single issue that we're given here on the Liftoff with the dignity that it deserves, because these are real people that we're talking about. And as per usual, Usibusiso is listening on the other side. So this is a no judgment zone. Okay? As much as the stories that we hear of Laikaya are shocking, but this is a no judgment zone. I'm ready to take your calls on 0861-596-596. Slee, in your town.
Hi, Jeff. How are you?
I'm good, Sissy. How are you?
I'm all right. First and foremost, ngicela ukubhekisa kumaka Cupid. We as mothers tend to do the wrong decisions for our kids. Okay. They've already in the relationship for 4 years. If uCupid and Usibusiso bebenengane, umama ubezokwenza njani on this case? Umama shouldn't stop umshado wengane yakhe because of their decision nobaba kaSibusiso. It's their matter that needs to be solved aside and let her daughter be happy with Usibusiso, because at the end of the day, her daughter might find somebody else ozongamthandi njengoba uSibusiso amthanda. Their differences bangawabeki ey'ngane zethu. So mama, we shouldn't do izinto that we need to decide ukuthi iy'ngane zethu fanele zibe happy kuphi. Lo mama uzozisola. What if uCupid ethatha intambo hang because umama kwafanele akhulume emtshela ukuthi ngake ngaba ne-ex so and so. Mhlampe athi memthola athi ngithola umuntu okanje oyisibongo fanana nalo ex wakho. Akuyena in the same person othi wena uyamzonda. Inzondo kamama for ubaba kaSibusiso shouldn't stop umshado wengane.
Yo, you're bringing up a very valid point. Ukuthi what if these two already had a child? But
Yes.
abakhulumi lutho about already having a child, so I'm going to assume ukuthi ayikho ingane khona in the picture.
I'm just saying.
Enye inkinga Sli uSbu abhekene nayo is what does he do moving forward, because umama wakhe akayazi i-reason eyabanga ukuthi bajikiswe kubo Cupid. Umama doesn't know the truth. So how does he resolve this without maybe adding more pressure to family situation yakhe ke manje?
Okay, what I can say for uSibusiso should sit down with his mother. Amtshela ukuthi there is this no esabuza ubaba ukuthi umama wayesekhona yena kwi-picture ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesi story lesi skama. Because if it's something that happened before umama kaSibusiso nobaba kaSibusiso met, it's something that can be resolved. But uma kuyinkinga eyenzeka umama kaSibusiso that was already in the picture, uSibusiso is having a huge problem because of amama kakababa wakhe.
Okay.
But Umaka Cupid was not supposed to take umuntu alawule impilo yakhe. Mina ngumzali, i-boyfriend ithi terminate pregnancy yami. What about, am I thinking right for my unborn child? So in matter kaSibusiso is very critical. Kodwa we pray to God ukuthi izinto zizohamba kahle. But he needs to sit down with his father. Ambuze ukuthi dad uma esekhona yini before ngibringe le topic ekhaya, because uma kaSibusiso might not be there. Isikhathi ubaba kaSibusiso ethenelethisa umaka Cupid.
Usushilo ukuthi uSibusiso akamcebo ubaba wakhe. Usushilo ukuthi akayibhadlaza indaba kumama. All right, thank you so much for your call, Sli. Now where you have an opinion about this mess. Okay, this mess that uSibusiso finds himself in. You can give me a call on 0861596596. Asimsize shame. He's a Lift Off family member. Uslindo isweli elihle again on Facebook uthi kunzinyana kona, but wena Sbu no Cupid are not related. Imndeni yenu ayihlobene nayo. This is not about abazali. Ihistory yabo anihlangene nina nayo, and kumele akumele imendleleni yenjabulo yenu. This is according to Uslindo on Facebook. Wena Sandile uthini?
Sanibone kakasini. Sandile nje. Hayi siyaphila.
Siyanceka.
Yebo. Mina ngithi umama akaxolise inhliziyo okwenzeka kuyena, yebo kubuhlungu but akwenziwanga uSibusiso, kwenziwa ubaba Sibusiso. So ingane ziyathandana for 4 years, zifuna ukuqhubeka nempilo. Akanikeze ukuthi nazo zenza amaphutha azo, hayi amaphutha akhe. Let bygone be bygones. Wonke umuntu uyawenza amaphutha empilweni.
Kodwa manje wena ungavuma yini ukuthi umlingani wakho kube ex?
Akathandani nami. Mina sakuzama ukuthi kwangenzeka. So manje sekuzoba kuhle sabalingani kwenzeka sekuba kuhle.
Mase kuvuka ama-minute.
Hayi lokho kwabo bobabili sikhuluma ngokwaSibusiso no Cupid manje ukuthi lento abafuna ukuyilento, because yabo le ndaba nje ungayibuka enkulu.
No, it is.
Uyayidinga usizo, and the only thing khona omunye umsakazo ishilo ukuthi kumele athathe umama lo onenkinga and resolve the matter and go forward.
All right, cool. No, I hear you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for your call.
Only i-solution kodwa ukuthi ngithi akaphumi, no, uyamthanda umuntu wakhe and akwandele lo.
No, inkinga zakho maza kudala azihlangene nami.